Okay, so my next question to you, like for ensuring unique keys for the sweeper slider, when rendering products, when should we do that? Like key, because like if
Yes.
you do the mapping, you have to mention the key.
Yes, with Swiper, I did the same thing. In Swiper, we have the Swiper component which holds all the Swiper data as props like autoplay, the number of slides, and the navigation buttons, autoplay, and other modules. And inside that, for each slide, we have another component called Swiper slide. So what I did is I got the API data, like each featured product data, and I just mapped over those product data. And for each data, I provided, like I rendered a swiper slide, and MongoDB automatically gives us an ID with each document. So I just use that unique identifier to add as a key for the swiper slides, like for each swiper slide.